Right, here we have a label marker, and we're going to mark these up using our machine here. So first thing's to turn it on. Need some PPE with it. We need a pair of earmuffs, a pair of glasses, and some gloves. The machine's in its process of turning on. So we get these blanks. So these are a store stock item. A complete blank with nothing on there at all. It's got a little backstop in here, which we need to line up. So the unit itself is slipped in from one side, and then it's pushed up to the backstop that's in there. Otherwise it won't be in the right spot. So into the backstop. The machine's now ready to go. The keyboard is actually backwards, as you can notice. The numbers are all backwards and the letters. The arrows are backwards, which is a bit of a pain, but it is what it is. So what we need to do, so this arrow here will be the opposite. So if we're deleting, so we're using this one here to delete. And then if we put a sample in, so the numbers are obviously upside down, it's going to be at a capital. Pretty sure this one's the capital here, so it's already a capital. And then we press this one for our dash. And we've got what we want. And now our numbers. Dash again, so this will be our dash. Right. And then we do our S. S, where it is. S, O, and a 1. So once we've got that in there, we've got our blank inserted where we want it with its backstop lined up in there. Got our handle, we pull our handle down, we need to pull it reasonably tight so that it's in the right spot. Making sure we've got our earmuffs and our glasses on, and then we pull the trigger. So this is the trigger here we pull. So holding in place, and that's finished. So we'll take our blank out, and now it should be engraved with what we want. Easy as that.
Beautiful.